men move on quickly from heartbreaks.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ.
अच्छा चल रहा था हमारा, क्या करके चली गई फिर उसमें ही हम लोग रो रहे. Let me text him back, let me call him.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
If a man is going through hard times, कोई अपनी सुनने नहीं वाला है. They enjoyed the period of term they were together. Now we have to move on.
Is it good?
Not move on, but trying to still make it happen, thinking that no, this is the right. And men don't understand feelings.
रात नहीं टूटना चाहिए भाई.
It's okay to have your heart broken. It's okay to fail at love sometimes. It's not a crime. The relationship is not the center of the universe. It is one part of my life. If you're in a bad relationship, why should you find someone who wants to spend the time with you? Would you not rather find people who love you as much as you love them? Who want to give you that much time and effort and energy as much you want to give? Why would you chase somebody who doesn't want to do the same? Spend that effort over there.
बचपन से बोलते हुए आ रहे हैं कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. होता है दर्द यार. होता है. इमोशनली होता है, फिजिकली होता है, लगने पे होता है. डोंट सप्रेस योर इमोशन.
तुम्हारे ट्रेलर का ओपनिंग लाइन मिल गया.
Hello. Welcome back to Just Kidding with Sid. As you can see, he is someone who has redefined and refined the very essence of what a true masculinity is, to be a better man. And that's why we have none other than Nikhil Taneja.
Because I think it is quite logical and it is important to talk about this men's mental health. Men in India are suffering through depression. 8 years ago, he has been through anxiety disorder, but due to that anxiety attack, what a person he is today is because of that.
It is true. हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? छोड़ देते हैं हम लोग. इसी को दे दो माइक. खत्म करते हैं हम लोग. रिटायर हो जाते हैं भाई. Is anger logical? No, it's emotional. How can you then say that women are more emotional than men when men are the ones who are getting angry most of the time? लड़कियों को पैसे कमाओ. लड़कियों को क्या बोला जाता है? तुम्हारा क्या जिंदगी का मिशन है?
घर को संभाल.
So I have listed about 7 lies here that society tells us about manhood. Men who don't provide don't exist.
Men who don't provide do exist, but their existence is judged.
भाई मैं तो can I stand?
Thank you.
Oh my God. And these stereotypes have become so toxic for everybody of our generation. I refuse. I do not accept the fact that men are less emotional, are not nurturers. It's just an idea we haven't introduced as a society. Oh, she stays and takes care of the home. It's still something that you still accept very easily. But if a man says this, my problem is that fathers are not even given the opportunity to build that, empathy within themselves. We still don't have any understanding how patriarchy, which does benefit men, also oppresses the young boys they were. Spaces also are gendered.
They don't involve themselves.
तुमने कभी इन्वॉल्व करने की कोशिश की?
Yes, we have tried. they बोलते हैं बोर होता है. Sports are for men. We don't want to enjoy them.
It's okay to have your heart broken. It's okay to fail at love sometimes. It's not a crime.
So men are pretty convenient to all these break ships.
Break ships.
Yeah.
Break ships. Beautiful. He's given a term today. Break ships.
ships.
Lovely.
New Gen Z term. Break ships.